Okay. Sir, kinukuha ko lahat yung angulo eh. Dito sa kabila. Okay, sir. Okay. Start of the ball game. Start of the ball game. First game, Frontier Wolves versus Infinity. Tama itong ano ba? Yung dentist yan? Tama yan, black yung Infinity.
Oo nga, white saka black.
Black yung Infinity ha.
Patakin lang po ah.
Okay, let's start the ball game. Okay, jumbo. First ball possession. White. And alternating arrow. Next arrow possession. Black. Jersey number 8. Si jersey number 52. On the right wing. In and out. Defensive rebound. Para sa jersey number 16. Para sa Black. Starting ngayon, offensive play ngayon yung block, cross court pass, penetrate, drop pass, reverse layup, connects 2 points. First basket of the game. Jersey number 52 orchestrating the play for White. Naku po, low post, backdoor pass to jersey number 04 off the glass, connects 2 points. Jersey number 02. On the right wing. C. No basket. Defensive rebound. 8 yan. All the way to the hoop. Coast to coast. No basket. Offensive rebound. And draws a foul. Foul. Oy, tip out lang. No basket yan. Tip out. Pull up on the side. Na Encanto. Another offensive rebound. Fakes and drop pass sa 0-4. Naipit sa baseline. Ooh, outbound. Turnover. Out of bound. Jersey number 02 receiving the ball. Point guard. Blackfield. Aim for 3. No basket. Offensive rebound, defensive rebound yan. Atake ng jersey number 8. All the way to the hoop, crossover move. A series of crossover move and connects 2 points. C orchestrating the play, setting up the play for Black. As jersey number 2 switch back to C. Inward pass, low post. Reverse layup. Backboard. Outbound. Turnover. Jersey number 52 receiving the ball for White. Looking for a pass. Drop pass ulit sa baseline. Denied. Na-check sa likod. Another attempt. Denied again. Defensive rebound na yan. And jersey number 52 controls the board. Pass break. Bad pass. Naharas ka agad yun ng depensa. Binomba ng 8 yan. Teardrop. Basket count. 2 points. 6-2. 4-point lead White. Pass break para sa jersey number 02. Penetrate. Engaging. All the way. No basket. And jersey number 1 controls the board. Jersey number 8. Crossover move all the way. Connects 2 points. That's a foul. One and one. Bonus shot. Basket and one play completed.
Okay na daw. Okay na sila. Late ka.
C receiving the ball para sa Black team. Offensive play naman sila ngayon. As the jersey number 02 on the left wing of the ring. Defensive rebound jersey number 05 ng 5. Didistart ulit ang 8 all the way to the drop pass. Natapikan. Kick out. On the right wing. Penetrate ang 8. Drop pass sa score. Backdoor pass to jersey number 04. Nice assist. Pass break to jersey number 16. Penetrate. Off the glass. Connects 2 points. Jersey number 52. Magno. Penetrate. Kick out. On the right wing. Off the ring. Aim for 3. Defensive rebound. Jersey number 25. Pass break na yan kay Diaz. All the way to the hoop. Connects 2 points off the glass. 11-6. 5-point lead. Para sa White. Atake ulit ang 8. Hinaharas kagad. Cross-court pass. On the right wing, connects 3 points. 14-6. Naaras ang 25 niyan. C. Nahasel, penetrate yon. 0-2 all the way. And fumble, loses the ball. Tumama sa tuhod niya. Atake na kaagad ng 8. Drop pass lang sa 0-4. In and out. Offensive rebound. Reverse layup. Pinahirapan pa yun. Connects 2 points. Mandatory substitution. Back to the ball game. 16-6. 5 minutes and 12 in this first period. 10-point lead para sa White. Frontier Wolves. Point guard ng block. Offensive play sila. Aatake 20. Binasa ulit. On the left wing, perimeter. Off the ring. Aatake 50. And blocking foul by jersey number 02. Blocking foul. A moving defense by 02. Timeout, block.
Akala ka naman yung next lang.
Gumagalaw kasi siya. Gumagalaw din. Moving defense eh.
Kasi pwede yung nandok na nakamito hindi na naman yung pagkakaroon ng lima magkakaroon mo na wala ba kayo sa tayo?
Ha?
Wala kayo dito? Wala kayo?
Sa live lang, doon sa live nila kayo tayo. Kaya ano nila yung hindi baba. Natandaan.
Pwede na yung substitution na yan. Saka pwede na yung sub na yan. Back to the ball game. Galing sa foul. By jersey number 02, Mendoza. Shot clock down to 20. 4 minutes and 51 in this first period. Same ball possession. White. Yung game. Jersey number 6. Ingeja pull up. Mid-range J. No basket defensive rebound yan. Para sa block. Pass to jersey number 20. Pass to jersey number 11. 17. And traveling violation. Turnover. Sideline throw in yan para sa White. And jersey number 13 receiving the ball for White. Pass on the right wing. Perimeter. Basket count. 2 points. 18-6. Blocked down by 12 points. Pull up. Mid-range J. Off the ring. Offensive rebound ng 25 yan. Shot clock counting down. Cross-court pass on the left wing. Inward pass. Baseline. Shot clock winding down. Aim for 3 off the ring. Scrambling for the ball. Nakakuha ng 50. Controls the ball. Drives through drop pass. Tricep. No basket. Wala pa rin ang putback noon. Another attempt. Putback. Third attempt. Connects 2 points. May jersey number 6. Jersey number 20. Baba ng bola, setting up the play for Black. Inward pass, TC. Hinaras ng dalawa and foul. Jersey number 6, a reaching foul. Shot clock reset to 14. Atake jersey number 20. Pull up. Short. Defensive rebound. Kwenta. Controls the board. Pasa lang yan. Nakita on the other side. No basket. Shot clock down to 14. Perimeter. In and out. Defensive rebound na yan is Serso. Pass to C. Drives through. Coast to coast. Connects 2 points. Oh, bad pass. Outbound. Turnover. 2 minutes and 54. On the right wing, perimeter, no basket. Offensive rebound. On the left wing, aim for 3, connects 3 points. Timeout. White. 2 minutes and 45. Remaining time in this first period. Black down by 9 points. Okay, back to the ball game. Number 13 inbounding. Switch back sa 13 ang pasa. Didiskarte ang 13. Transition of play on the right wing. Perimeter of the ring. Offensive rebound 19. Drop pass lang sa 6 yan on the side. No basket again. Scrambling for the ball. Nakuha pa rin 19 yan. Naipit. Kick out on the right wing of the ring. Defensive rebound C. Para sa block. Nakita sa low position. On the other side. Naku po, air ball. Atake ngayon. Ang White. Jersey number 13. Of the ring. In for 3. Ooh, bad pass. Interception yan. And draws a foul from jersey number 17. A minute and 56. In this first period. Shot clock down to 22. Inward pass. Kick out on the left wing. Penetrate. Pull up. Mid-range J. Out backboard. Turnover. Outbound. Jersey number 20. Dribbling the ball. Pass to the left wing, aim for 3, connects 3 points! 14-20. Bumba na sa single digit ang lamang ng White. 6-point lead White, penetrate 13, engaging, deflected ang pass-up, breakaway kagad ng 19, all the way layup, and draws a foul, and 1. Basket count, and 1 play. A minute and 13. Bonus shot by Diaz. Bonus shot. Backs out ng 21 yan. Aatake si Kwenta. Drive sa baseline. No basket. Tinapik ang bola. Same ball possession. Shot lock down to 15. Shot lock 15. On the right wing, inward pass sa 91, naharas. And traveling violation. Turnover. Turnover yan. Less than a minute to go. 55 seconds. In this first period, atake 20. Drop pass steal ng 13. Pass break na yan. Denied. Block by C. Shot lock down to 19. 40 seconds remaining time in this first period. $19 seconds to shoot. Shot lock. Kick out. Penetrate. Engaging. A pull up. Shoot. Scrambling for the ball. Nakakuha ng 20 yan. Nakakuha pa rin yun. Another attempt on the side. No basket. Another offensive rebound and draws a foul from jersey number 4. Serso. Awarded ang free throw sa 13. Within 27 seconds. Overshoot. First throw. Second throw. 2-ball possession advantage para sa White. Second throw. 1 out of 2. 5-point lead. White. Nangahasel ka agad yan. Naritrip pa yan. Penetrate yan. Cross. Nakita sa low position. No. Loose ball. Outbound. Turnover. Hindi na na-receive ang pasa. Sayang. Dying seconds. Shot lock off. Perimeter and foul. Jersey number 20. 20. .3 seconds remaining time in this first period. First throw, no basket. Second throw. No basket, no conversion. Half break na yan. On the left wing, short. End of the first period. Back to the ball game. Second period. Block. Next alternating arrow. White. Next arrow possession, White. Second period. Nawag. Low post. Backdoor pass. Naipit. Nakuha. Kick out sa 3-point area. On the left wing. Aim for 3. Short of the ring. Offensive rebound. 20. Pull up. Off the glass. Connects 2 points. 18-21. 3-point lead. White. Skarte ang 8 niya on the right wing. Penetrate, engaging, naipit, natapitan ng bola, tumama sa kanya, turnover. So na, number 20. 3-point lead para sa White. Nawag orchestrating the play. Inward pass, low post, naipit, fakes and pop. No basket. Offensive rebound. Hook shot. No basket. Another offensive rebound. Off the glass. Connects 2 points. 20-21. 1-point lead. Para sa White. Atake 42. Offensive naman sila. Offensive play. Offensive play sa White. Perimeter. Connects 2 points. Perimeter shot. A clutch point para sa White. 23-20. On the left wing, switch back sa 14 on the right wing. And traveling violation. Turnover. Sideline throw in. Kayang 8. Spin move siya ron, no basket, offensive rebound, follow-up shot, wala. Defensive rebound na yan. Missy, hinahara sa backcourt. Sa baseline, naipasa sa dos. Penetrate, engaging, napasa Missy. Naipit sa baseline. Shot clock, down to 10. Shot clock, winding down. On the left wing, aim for 3, short. And jersey number 42 controls the board. Atake ang 8. Ali penetrate the shaded area. Drop pa sa 4. Denied. Block. Pass break na yan. It's a 3-and-1 situation all the way to the hoop of the glass. Connects 2 points. 1 point lead White. Offensive foul. Jersey number 8. Offensive foul. Turnover yan para sa block. Diskarte ngayon ang block. Aim for 3. Off the ring. Defensive rebound White. Jersey number 42. Looking for a pass. Nakita niyo and draws a foul from jersey number 20. A blocking foul. Second personal foul. Jersey number 20. First throw. Short. Second throw. 7 minutes and 4 in this first half. Short again. Scrum to po, nakakuha ng 8 on top of the key. Off the ring again. Defensive rebound ng 0-2. Pass break yan sa low post. Naku po, na-rattle na yon. Steal by jersey number 8. Penetrate all the way. Oop, narambot yun. Steal by jersey number 02. Pass to C. Drives through. Off the glass. Connects 2 points. Change favor. 1 point lead block. And block grabs the lead. Now, bad pass. A miscue. Jersey number 02. Drop pa sa 20. Binalik sa 2. And 3 seconds. Nagpasahan lang sila. Sayang naman ang opensa. 6 minutes and 19 in this first half. Taki si Ali, penetrate, a pull-up, mid-range J, connects 2 points. And White grabs it. Oh, inbound violation, turnover. Inbound violation. Turnover yan para sa White. Atake si Ali, penetrate. Basket, off the glass. Atake agad yung 8. Pass break easy. On the right wing. Atake 20. Nakita yun sa low post. Shot clock down to 10. Shot clock winding down. Turn around shot. Basket by jersey number 16. Leading pa rin ng 1 puntos ang block. Ali surveying the floor, scouting the floor, setting up the play for White. Shot lock, winding down, inward pass sa low post, and loses the ball. Mandatory substitution. Turnover yan para sa block. Over para sa block. An even score. 1-point lead, White. Oh, dribbling violation. Turnover. Anong nangyari sa play ng block? 5 minutes in this first half.
Pasok na! Ayun na yun na. Napalitan na yan sila sa
Jersey number 52 receiving the ball. Aatake si Quentin. Nakita sa low post yung catch and shoot and draws a foul. From jersey number 17. Third personal foul, jersey number 17. First throw, no basket. Second throw. In and out. Ooh! Foul sa pagbabox out. Jersey number 6. A push by jersey number 6. Sa box out doon. Nakita yun sa 91. Tinapik ang steal. Breakaway ang 19. Diaz layup. No basket. Scrambling for the ball and loses the ball. Turnover. Sayang naman ang effort niya. Penetrates 22. Pass to jersey number 1 on the left wing. Atake sa baseline. And draws a foul from jersey number 14. An extended knee. Four minutes and 19 in this first half. First throw, basket count. Second throw. Basket again, 2 for 2. 29-26, 3-point lead, White. Diskarte naman ang opensa naman ang block. Oliveros, hinaharas kaagad siya, penetrate, kick out, on the left wing, nakita sa low post, inward pa sa 6, a pull up, off the ring, defensive rebound, jersey number 13, controls the board, ooh, loses the ball. Last touch on jersey number 17. Same ball possession. Tayo si 52. Inward pass. Takes him back and draws a foul. Jersey number 6. Oliveros. First throw. Basket. Second throw. Basket again, 2 for 2. 31-26, 5-point lead. White. Pensa naman ngayon. Paso Oliveros, penetrate. Pasa lang sa 17 yan. Off the glass, connects 2 points. Nice pass by Oliveros. Asa sa 13 yan, the right wing. Hinaharas ka agad siya ng defensor on the left wing. Transition of play. Penetrate, hinaras. Scrambling for the ball. Naipasa pa yun, layup. Connects 2 points. Asa na yan kay Oliveros. On the right shoulder. 3 points. 31-33. One ball possession advantage. Didiskarte 13. Kick out. On the right wing. Connects 3 points. Gumante yan. Counter 3 para sa White. Kumounter ng 3 din yan. Nakita sa low post and loses the ball. Turnover. Outbound. Proper inbound. Warning for delaying the game. Aim for 3 off the ring. Defensive rebound by jersey number 6. Oliveros pasa lang. Drop pa sa 14. Pull up. Off the ring. Defensive rebound yan ng 6 para sa ng 5. On the right. Inward pass of 31. And naharas. Tap out. Tumama sa kayain. Kickball. Shot clock reset to 14. Nakita sa low position. Layup. And draws a foul. And a basket. And one. Bonus shot, 1 minute and 46 in this first half. Basket. And one play completed. 3-point play completed by White. Pensa naman ang block. Kanya pass to jersey number 02. Penetrate, engaging all the way. Off the glass, connects 2 points. 33-39. On the left wing, atake 13. Hinaharas kagad. A pull out. Mid-range J. No basket. Last touch pa. Si Oliveros. Sayang yun. Shot clock 14. Shot clock 14. Nakita ang 13. Catch and shoot. No basket. Offensive rebound ng 13. Another attempt. Power move under the goal by jersey number 13. Put back pa rin niya yan. Atake yan sa east. Hinaharas kagad ng depensa yan. Almost a steal. Oliveros, Didiscarte, penetrate all the way, layup. And blocking foul. 91, blocking foul. Basket count, first throw. Second throw. Basket again. 35-41. 6-point lead. Less than a minute to go. 40 seconds to be precise. Atake 52. Pass to jersey number 1. Game clock counting down. Pull up. Basket. Mid-range J. 43-35. Dying seconds. Shot clock off. Oliveros, Didiscarte. Hinaharas kagad ng depensa. Penetrate. Layup shoot. Ang lalim. Atake 13. Pasa on the right wing. Aim for 3. Off the ring. Dying seconds. It's a 3-2 situation. Aim for 3. Connects 3 points. Buzzer beater. End of the first half. tubig doon. Inday. Inday, kuha kayong tubig doon.
Huwag ka na tubig dyan! Meron ka?
Okay. Back to the ball game. Second half. Change goal. On top of the key. Connects 3 points. 46-38. Didiskarte ang block. On the right wing, Didiskarte 0-2. Pull up. No basket, defensive rebound, 19. Hinaras. And reaching foul. By 0-2. A reaching foul by 0-2. C receiving the ball. White scouting the floor. On the right wing, transition of play, inward pass sa 0-4. Oh! Traveling violation, hesitate. And traveling violation. On the left wing, penetrate sa east. Hinaras, steal. Nangaharas si Siron. Last touch ang White. Turnover yan para sa block. Nakita yun 16 doon. Inward pass, kick out. Aim for 3 on the right wing. Connects 3 points. Starte ulit ang White. Nakita yung 0-4. No basket. Scambling for the ball. Tinapik ang bola. Same ball possession. White. Ali pass to jersey number 50. Ali to make. Sidestep. Basket. 48-41. 7-point lead. Diskarte Oliveros all the way. Denied. Block. Shot lock down to 13. On the left wing, aim for 3. Connects 3 points. 44-48. 2-ball possession advantage sa atake. Ali all the way, coast to coast. Layup. Basket. Diskarte. Pass to Oliveros. Aim for 3. Off the ring. Nakakuha pa rin ng 16 yan. Controls the board. Pull up. Basket. Mid-range J. 46-50. Penetrate. Ali. No basket. And may nakitang foul. Jersey number 16. Shot clock 14. Reset to 14. On the right wing, off the ring, aim for 3. Nakakuha ng 4, box out doon. Nakita Ali. Penetrate, pull up, shoot. Oh, a push by C. Under the goal. Foul by C. On the left wing, shot lock down to 10. On the right wing, atake si Cuenta. No basket, off the ring. Nakakuha yan ni Peros. Crossover, blocking foul by jersey number 8. Second personal foul, jersey number 8. Sideline throw in niya para sa block. C. Inbounding. And jersey number 28. Cross-court pass up Ben. 0-2. No basket. Aim for 2. Diskarte Ali. Crossover move all the way. Layup. No basket. nakuha pa rin box out ni Ali. Penetrate ulit and draw sa foul by 0-2. A handshake by 0-2. Shot clock down to 10. Drop pass lang sa 4 yan. No basket denied. C controls the ball yan. Hinara si C. And foul by jersey number 50. Lobos, backdoor pass. Bigay kay Olivares, inward pass to C. Tumipik, kick out sa 0-2 on the right wing, penetrate. A pull up, no basket. Ooh, a tip in by C. Connects 2 points. Ali, pass to jersey number 50. No basket. Defensive rebound C. 2-point lead White. Atake Oliveros. Penetrate Oliveros. Layup. And no basket. Defensive rebound niya para sa White. Atake si Kwentao. Nagpambol. Kick out kay Ali. Aim for 3. Connects 3-point. Nangahasil pa siya. Lobos, kick out, then pull up, basket by 0. Mandatory substitution, 5 minutes and 10. Back to the ball game. Mandatory substitution. Receiving the ball for White. Playing the floor. Sa 13. Kick out ulit. On top of the key. Connects 3 points. Atake si C. Crossover move si Ron. Sisubukan ng depensa ron. No basket. Sayang, off the ring. Naharas din ang 8 niyan. Pasa yan on the right wing. Aim for 3 off the ring. Defensive rebound by jersey number 20. Nagpapambol ang Benjero. Naritrip pa rin niya. Penetrate. Steal by 42. Breakaway ang 1. Off the glass, connects 2 points. Discard si C. Jersey number 20. Back, Diaz, aim for 3. Off the ring. Tinapik ang bola, nakakuha ng Ali. Naipit na. Nakita ang 13 Ron. Nice pass. Time out. Clock. Bumalik sa double digit na lamang ng White. 3 minutes and 48 in this third period. Saan yung bola? Lalim sa basket yan. Diaz receiving the ball. Bigyan jersey number 20. Back to Diaz on the left wing. Inward pass. Kiso. Nakita yun. Ooh, deflected. Shot lock down to 11. Shot lock down to 11 seconds. Diaz. Oh! Line violation. Nasa labas na siya. Turnover yan sa White. Aim for 3 of the ring. Bounce out. 3 minutes remaining time. Okay, ang bending ngayon para sa block. Penetrate the shaded area. Connects 2 points. 2 minutes and 40 in this third period. Asa on the right, inward pass sa 91. Switch back 42. Aim for 3. Off the ring. Backs out ng 20 yan para sa block. Pass break yan sa 17. Outbound. A loose ball. Turnover. Benz ang White. On the right wing. 13. Didiskarte. Ooh, a bad pass. Interception ni Diaz yan. Pull up. Off the ring. Tinapik ang bola. Nakita ang 42 yan. Controls the board. Atake ang 13. Pinaharas yung 13. Same ball possession. Shot 12. Shot lock down to 12. Atake 1. Pinasa, steal. Breakaway ngayon 17. Easy 2 points. Time out. White. Mid-range change. Slow basket, defensive rebound niya ang block. Pass break na yan. So this is Victorio. Drop pass sa easy. Shot lock down to 12. Aim for 3. Off the green. Offensive rebound. Follow-up shot. No basket again. Defensive rebound na yan. Ooh, a bad pass. A loose ball. Outbound. Turnover. Out. Penetrate. Engaging all the way. Drop pass. No basket yan. Nakakuha pa rin yan. Iago all the way to the hoop. No basket. Tumbling for the ball. Last touch right. Less than a minute to go. 45 seconds in this third period. Si pasa lang yan. Pull up. Basket by jersey number 20. Dying seconds tayo. Shot lock pa yan. 14 seconds to shoot. Ooh, almost a steal. Nakita ang 13 ron. Traveling violation. Turnover. Dying seconds. Shot lock off. 20 seconds. Pass break yan. Interception. A bad pass. Dying seconds. On top of the key of the ring. Nakuha 42. Si 42 pasa sa Lopos. Naipit. And loses the ball. Outbound. 4.5 seconds. Of the ring. And of the third period. And of the third period. Okay. Last 10 minutes. Last 10 minutes. Last 10 minutes. Last and final quarter. Next out of possession, White. Alternating arrow. Manawag receiving the ball para sa block. Pass to Mendoza. Aim for 3. Off the ring. Nakuha yan ni Ali. Backs out down. Controls the board. Pass break sa 50. Nagpambol. Na-retrieve na 5. Naipit. Nakita ang 4 doon. Connects 2 points. And inbound violation. Turnover. Inbound violation. Naipit ang 15, pumipik. Ang 19, turnaround shot, no basket. And jersey number 16 controls the board. Dati si Oliveros. Hinaharas kagad, crossover move all the way to the hoop. No basket, defensive rebound 4. Pass to Ali. Straightening the play, setting up the play for White. Jersey number 50. Inward pass to 19. Basket yan off the glass. Jersey number 20. Nagbaba ng bola. Pass to Mendoza. Penetrate Mendoza. Layup and traveling violation. Turnover. Substitution. Didiskarte ng papambol. Penetrate all the way and draws a foul from C, jersey number 25. Atake 4 na ipit. Atake 19, drop pass. Aim for 3 off the ring. Defensive rebound yan. RPC pass break kay Mendoza to jersey number 14. No basket. And foul. Jersey number 19. A push. Team foul. Sideline throwing yan. Nawag, receiving the ball, pass to Mendoza, penetrate, pull up, mid-range J, in and out, defensive rebound ng 5. Pass to Ali, and loses the ball, turnover. Oliveros, sideline throw in by Oliveros. Pass to Manawag, aim for 3 on the left wing, off the ring, defensive rebound 4. 8 minutes in this final quarter. Atake si Ali. As in jersey number 15, perimeter. Shoot! Nakakuha na 5, denied. And a foul by Cruz. Oliveros. Shoot ang unang tira, second throw. One out of two. Dati ang black. Tensa naman sila ngayon. Pass to Oliveros. Penetrate Oliveros. Go and draws a foul from jersey number 5. Substitution. Sideline throw in para sa White. That's a block. Ooh, cross-court pass on the right wing. On the shoulder, no basket. And defensive rebound ng 4 yan. Hinaharas si Lago. Atake Ali. Crossover move, pull up. Connects 2 points by Ali. 57-56. Atake Mendoza. Penetrate all the way to the hoop. Shoot! Ali, penetrate. Inaharas ka agad yan. Nawag. Lago, aim for 3, no basket. Scrambling for the ball. Nakakuha yan Manawag. Penetrate si Manawag all the way to the hoop. No basket, nothing but glass. Same ball possession. Shot clock 13. Shot clock down to 13. Kita si CB. Oh! I miss you! Nasa labas pa yan. Outbound. Hindi kagad pumasok yan. Atake yung left wing. Nakita sa low post. Deflected by Mendoza. Catch and shoot. Basket ng 13. Atake Oliveros all the way to the hoop. Coast to coast. No basket. A 4 shot. Atake Ali. Setting up the play for White. Shot clock down to 14. On the left wing. Pinasa kay Lago on the right wing. Aim for 3. Off the ring. Defensive rebound. Manawag. Hinaras. Foul. The jersey number 15. Time out. Back to the ball game. Manawag. Ooh, deflected. Ali penetrate and draws a foul. 0-4. 5 minutes and 35 in this final quarter. In and out. First throw. Second throw. No basket. Free throw area. Ay, pass break niya Ali. Ang binoba ng 13 yan. And foul by 02 Mendoza. Mendoza, fourth personal foul. Si Aliron. On the left wing, Ilago, aim for 3. Connects 3 points. 5 minutes. Within 5 minutes remaining time. Hinaharas si Mendoza. Nakita, steal. Pass break sa 50 yan. Layup. Basket count, 2 points. And extending the lead for White. Binigay kay Oliveros. Penetrate Oliveros, hinaharas. On the right corner, in and out. Ali scouting the floor. Nakita sa low post yung 13. Catch and shoot. Basket by jersey number 13. Under the goal. Backdoor pass. Pass break easy. Penetrate sa baseline. Reverse layup shoot. And Ali controls the board. Attack Ilago. On the right wing. Connects 3 points. Eight seconds violation. Turnover. Substitution. Really receiving the ball. Lago aim for 3 again. No basket. Outbound. Off the ring. Within 3 minutes remaining time. Nawal. Pass to Mendoza. On the left wing. Short. Aim for 3. Scrambling for the ball. Nakuha ni Sisa Lalim. Pinasa. Si Oliveros. And draws a foul. From jersey number 04. Basket count, first throw. Second throw. In and out, 1 out of 2. Box out para sa White. Nakita yung 0-4 na po, high steal. Pass to Mendoza. It's a 2-on-2 situation. Layup. Off the glass. Connects 2 points. Hinaharas si Ali. Mendoza. Shot lock down to 14. Aim for 3. Off the ring. Tinapik sa 13 yan. Off the glass. Connects 2 points. Extended para sa leading. Aim for 3. Manawag. Basket count. Within 2 minutes remaining time. Bigay kay Rendon. Aim for 3. In and out. Defensive rebound. See? To Manawag. To Oliveros. Penetrate. Layup. Shoot. Offensive rebound Oliveros. Another attempt. Shoot again ang layup niya. Nakakuha ni Manawag doon. Denied by Ilago. Nakakuha ni Ali. Kinlip niya. Ali on the right wing. Connects 3 points. Last 2 minutes eh. Aim for 3 Mendoza. Short. Outbound. Time out. Okay, back to the ball game. To Ali. Naka-screen. Nakita sa low post yung 13. Nice pass by Ali. Sa backdoor. Inward pass kasi. Kick out to Mendoza. Penetrate Mendoza. Binigay ko Oliveros. Layup. Finger roll. Connects 2 points. Switch back alley, aim for 3, connects 3 points. Wow. Jersey number 13, substitution. A minute and 5. Penalty situation. Ang block. Ang 1. Basket. Second foul. 1 out of 2. Less than a minute in this final quarter. Inward pass, nagpambol. Denied. And C controls the board. Pass break to Mendoza. Break away Mendoza. Layup. Basket by Mendoza. Cinco. On the side. Short. Another attempt, drop pass, tinapik ang bola, outbound. Shot clock 14. Short, defensive rebound, pass break, interception, almost loses the ball. Dying seconds. 13 seconds, dying seconds, shot clock off. Dying seconds. And all the ball game.